SQA 2022 Higher Maths Paper 1, question 7. Triangles ABC and ADE are both right angles. It tells us that angle BAC equals Q and DAE equals R. As shown in the diagram, calculate sin R, sin Q. So we can pull some information out of this diagram by drawing some triangles. So let me draw the small one first. If I do a little sketch, we've got R here. This whole length here is 3, and the whole length on the top is 1. So by Pythagoras, 3 squared plus 1 squared equals 10. So that must be the square root of 10. We can do the same for the Q triangle. If I just do that at the side, if I call this Q, then on the hypotenuse we've got root 13, and on the bottom we've got 2. So by Pythagoras, root 13 squared minus 2 squared is 13 minus 4, which is 9. So square root of 9 is 3. So nice and simple then. Determine the value of sin R. Sin R, opposite of the hypotenuse, is 1 over root 10. And sin Q, opposite of hypotenuse, is 3 over root 13. 2 marks there. 1, 2. Nothing else you're going to go do there. So let's go to part B. Okay, here's determine the value of sin Q minus R. Sin Q minus R equals sin Q cos R minus cos Q sin R. From the start of the exam paper, you'll get that. So we need to work out our different things. So sin Q is 3 over root 13. Well, cos R, well, we've already got R triangle here, so 3 over root 10. And minus cos Q, which using this triangle is 2 over root 13. And we've got sin R, which we already know is 1 over root 10. Times in the tops of them, we get 9 over root 130 minus 2 over root 130, which is obviously 7 over square root of 130. Always double check if you can simplify that third at the end, but you can, and you don't have to rationalise the denominator for the marks because we're not examining that. So where do you get your marks for part B? If you wrote down sin Q cos R minus cos Q sin R, or you imply that by doing this, you get your marks. So there's mark 1 and 2. Substituting in 3 over root 13, 3 over root 10 minus 2 over root 13 times 1 over root 10 is your second mark, and then your final mark, obviously, for working it out, is 7 over root 130. So there's your final mark there.